box? Would you eat them with a box? Not in a box, not with a fox. Not in a house, not with a mouse. I would not eat them here, there. I would not eat them anywhere. I would not eat green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam I am.
Look at Daddy and tell Daddy how old you are right now.
Move your arm.
I am 5.5 years old.
What grade are you in?
Kindergarten.
Okay.
Could you, in a car? Eat them, here they are. Would you not? I would not, could not, in a car. You may like them, you will see. You may like them in a tree. I would not, could not, in a tree. I not in a car. You let me be.